Let me walk you through with setting up your CipherTV Bar really quick and show you how easy it is to get started. Before we start, make sure you have these ready: your CipherTV Bar, Ethernet cable, HDMI cable for digital TV sets or AV cable for analog TV sets, power adapter, Air Mouse USB receiver, CipherTV Bar's mount stand, and the Air Mouse remote controller. What we're going to do first is plug in the Air Mouse USB receiver to either of these ports, the USB OTG port or the USB port, because without this plugged in, your Air Mouse remote controller will not work, so just make sure that it's in place. Next is connect the HDMI cable where it says HDMI. The other end of the cord will go to your television's HDMI input. For analog television sets, just connect the audio-video cable where it says AV and the other end of the cable to the RCA sockets or jacks. If you wish to connect using a wired network, see this LAN or network port over here? All you have to do is plug in the Ethernet cable right here and the other end to your router. Then, connect the power cable at the back of the CipherTV Bar where it says DC12V. Buckle the mount stand to the notch below the CipherTV Bar. Mount it on top of your TV. And when you're all set, plug in the power adapter. Once it's plugged in, your CipherTV Bar is automatically turned on. From there, you might want to turn on your TV. And while the CipherTV Bar loads, you will see the CipherTV text logo and CipherTV's website address. After which you will see its interface with a variety of apps. By default, it's already preloaded with Facebook, Gmail, Google+, Netflix, Skype, Play Store, TED, TuneIn Radio, Twitter, YouTube, and a lot more to get you started. Now the question is, how would you like to connect your CipherTV to the internet? Is it through Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi hotspot? Either way, let me walk you through. Just click on the next video and let's connect your TV to the internet, shall we? Again, this is Anne, your technical specialist.